I'm Jackie Dresser. I'm a PhD student at Newcastle University under the leadership of Dr. James Taylor in the Spatial Data Technology group. At the age of 15, I began apprenticing with a land surveying firm in Ithaca, New York, allowing me to become familiar with the terms precision and accuracy from a very young age. There, I was introduced to various GPS technologies that we now employ in precision agriculture. Following that apprenticeship, I received a bachelor's in land surveying engineering technology from Alfred State College. Following my studies at Alfred State, I worked for a 105-acre vineyard specializing in wine grape varieties for premium wine production. I got a chance to work in the cellar and really understand how growers think and what goes into making a marketable commodity. From there, I was introduced to Terry Bates. The grower that I worked for in the Finger Lakes went to one of his conference presentations on NDVI scanning and was really inspired to adopt the technology privately within his own vineyard, which is very encouraging because that is what we hope that growers will see and do in the future. We'll see the benefit of these technologies and hope to adopt them for themselves. The issue is not every grower is going to have someone with a background in GIS and spatial data analytics on their staff. The spatial data hardware, the sensors, are largely available. The ones that aren't are being produced by one of our project collaborators, Carnegie Mellon University. And those sensors are able to collect data about soils, about the canopy, about yield, and large amounts of spatial data are being collected. Processes to process that data into a usable format that can be used for map generation exist, but are usually only carried out by trained professionals. Most farmers just don't have the means in order to process the data and glean meaning from it. My colleague Claudio, another PhD student, and I are collaborating on the project to build a decision support system that's web-based that allows growers or really anyone that's collecting spatial data, particularly about vineyards. It will allow them to upload that data, have it processed, and have a meaningful visualization of that data, i.e. a map, as well as a decision support for them in order to implement management changes based on the data that they collect. So that's our goal, and my goal is to help with the data fusion, streamlining the data processes in order to prepare it for being written into a program that will function and allow growers ultimately to be able to utilize this data, because without helping them make a decision, the data is in fact useless. So our goal is to help that data become useful and help vineyards reach a level of efficiency that allows growers to optimize them for production, quality, and quantity.